folks, to the course of learning Python. By now, we know why learn Python. The very next question that comes into the minds of the people that what are the future scopes of Python? This is the question that arises to most of the developers or the programmers after they have learnt a whole language. They are clueless what to do next or where to go next. But we'll answer to this question at the very beginning. As we move ahead, we should see all these applications coming into life. So, as we know, why learn Python? What after Python? Worried, huh? Don't be. Because your journey to your success begins right here. If you're looking for a job after you learn Python, so don't be worried. There are various opportunities that are open for you, which includes very ranked and prestigious posts if you know Python, which includes Python developer, software engineer, senior software engineer, software developer, DevOps engineer, and data scientist. Not only these, but also there are opportunities or posts that you can go through. You have to just do is a little surfing. Next is if you want to know where to get the jobs. So there are many opportunities in our own country, India, if you know Python, which includes the posts of software engineer, the data scientists, and the senior software engineer. As you can see that I have also mentioned the salaries of these posts, which makes them quite effective and eye-catching. But what if you are looking your career across the globe? Don't be worried. There are many leading companies who are already using Python as their mainstream programming language, which includes the Google, Amazon, Walt Disney, Facebook, Uber, Instagram, Netflix, YouTube, Spotify, and lot more. You can already access what change have they brought into the community as they have switched into the technologies. And you can be a part of one of these companies if you know and have the skills, which definitely includes Python as one of them. What if you are not interested in job and if you want to do something of your own? So in term, it is called startup. Don't worry, you can also have your career if you have learned Python as an entrepreneur. There are ample of opportunities as there are a number of technologies that totally depend on Python for their upcoming results and efficiency, which includes some of the major domains like the artificial intelligence, AI, the big data, and the networking. These three domains are at present ruling the world, and in the coming years, they have like ample of opportunities so that you could come up with your job opportunities, or as an entrepreneur, you could lead your own way. And there is lot more to add in the future scopes of Python if you choose Python as your career. I'll see you soon in the first lectures of keywords and identifiers. Till then, stay connected and stay safe. Thank you. Hi guys, I am Trishna Chakraborty from LearnInStudies. If you want to learn my full course of learning Python, then please visit our website of LearnInStudy.com, where you can access the full course in just $199. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, LearnInStudies, and do not forget to hit the bell icon below so that you never miss an update.